Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're looking at NAS100, and I wanted to give you guys an update on NAS100 as I've already given you an update on gold. So NAS100, we're looking at it on the weekly chart. As you know, we're looking at these particular levels here to reach on the weekly. Now, we had the dead cat bounce here, okay? If we fib it from the previous high that we have, okay, went right up to the 618, and then it's working its way down. The ultimate goal, guys, for me right now is to get price action down to here. I know that in the long run, over the next months, it's going to go lower, okay? But the first area that I want to get to is this area right here, which is, 109,995. All right, that's the first area that I want to get to. Okay, after this area, you could see that there ain't nothing there to stop us from getting all the way down, from getting to 17 around that particular area. Okay, or just call it 7,000 to make it simple. Okay, so this particular area is going to be very important, just like gold was for the 1675 area that we talked about on gold yesterday. So on NAS100, obviously my bias is still to go ahead and look for more sell opportunities. So now that you can see the weekly, let's go down to the lower time frame here. Here we have NAS on the 1 hour time frame. And you can see we're already from the most recent reset. Okay, we're already at 4.1 times ADR. So I see two scenarios playing out. All right, so one of these two scenarios is what's going to play out. So scenario one is this right here was actually peak formation low, and this right here was the reset already. If that's the case, then essentially from here down to this area down here would make a full cycle. Okay? If that's not the case, then the other scenario that I would have is essentially for market makers to make a peak formation low here, right where price action is. We're already at 4.1, so we can't really go any lower. Make a new peak formation low here, go back up, and go ahead and retest this area right here. Okay? So in this area, we're going to have market maker orders. All right, we can move this over here. So if we can go ahead and create a peak formation low here, and then go back up, grab some more orders, and then work our way down, same thing. The next target is going to be down here. Okay? So two different outlooks on NAS100. No matter what the outcome is, guys, I'm still looking for sell setups, no matter what. We're still looking for sells on USD pairs in general. US30 among them as well. US30 is essentially the same thing as NAS100 right now. They're going to follow each other because they're based off of stocks. They're not based off of currency. So no matter what, guys, we're looking for sells on NAS100 and US30. It's not going to change until we get the inflation rate under control. Until we get the inflation under control and the Fed stops increasing the interest rates, we're going to continue to drop. Okay, in the bigger picture. Yes, we're going to have pullbacks, of course. We want the pullbacks. The pullbacks give us actual entries that we can use. Okay? We're going to have, at some point, guys, we're going to have a pullback, okay, that's literally going to attack this entire gap right here. You see how there's a big ass gap? This is going to be attacked at some point in the future. So believe me, price is going to come back to this area. Whether it be 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now, I don't know. But I do know it's going to come back to this area. So to make it simple for you guys, we're still looking for sells. I showed you the 2 different scenarios that I could see playing out. Okay, honestly, it's going to depend if we break this low right here. If we break this low right here, this is a reset. This is a peak formation low. That's a reset, and then you can go ahead and start looking for sells all the way down to here. So that's how you would know. So quick video on NAS100. US 30, guys, is literally going to be the same thing. I mean, it looks exactly the same. And that's because the 30 companies that make up the US 30 are in the NAS100. Okay? So please understand that the companies that make up the US 30 are already in the NAS100. So that's why the chart looks identical to each other. They literally look identical to each other, guys. It's for a reason. That's why. All right? So the same thing, essentially, you could look for on the US 30. The same exact thing as we just talked about on NAS. All right? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like on this video if you like this type of content. If you want to see your analysis for a specific pair, drop it down in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video. Guys, if you enjoy the content that we produce on this channel, if you find value in that content, please consider joining us in our next FXN Masterclass. You can see the date that our next class will be held. All of the information is linked below in the description of this video. We hope to see you in the next masterclass so we can help you reach all of your trading goals, guys. Have a great rest of your day.